Hey friends, so let me show you why starting a YouTube channel can be the best decision that you can ever make, maybe this year or the next year. So this video alone on this channel that I posted last year, it gained more than 280,000 views, and also I made more than $2,600 just from one video. This is a reasonable amount of money for me, and I want to tell you this funny thing about my country. I'm from Tanzania, by the way, and the average monthly salary in Tanzania is $215. So you can see you can work for more than 12 months in Tanzania and make the same amount that I made just from one video. And in the middle of this video, I'll be so happy to show you how I made over $65,000 just from YouTube. So let's now dive in, and I think you should really consider starting a YouTube channel. So this is the reason why you should really start a YouTube channel this year. Alright, so once you start posting on YouTube and you make sure that you are posting consistent, but also you make sure that you provide value to your audience, your channel will be in a position to grow in a very fast way. This is going to lead to unexpected opportunities like brand deals, but also different collaboration with big companies. So when you start YouTube, you really don't have to stress over your quality of the video. You just have to make sure that you keep posting, and you will learn that along the way. So I encourage, for growth potential on YouTube, you have to start now, and you just have to make sure that you're posting every single week on your YouTube channel. Just make sure that you provide value, and you will see all these unexpected opportunities on your way. I really cannot tell the whole story about my YouTube journey, but I started to post on YouTube in 2017, and I'm just gonna be honest with you, YouTube has changed my life in a very good way. And not just my life, my family is depending on this source of income, and for 8 years straight I've been providing value on YouTube. I've been posting on YouTube, and the rewards that I get on YouTube is really amazing. And as for now, I can say that YouTube is the only source of income that I depend for 100%, because I really don't think that I have another source of income that is generating more income comparing to YouTube. And I want to say that for now, I'm able to do different stuff. I'm able to pay different things from the revenue that I get from YouTube. So you may also want to consider this, because this is a platform that is really going to change your life, but also it's really going to change your family lives if you really care about that. Alright, so it's very important when you start your YouTube channel to be transparent and honest, because this is how you're just going to build your community, and you're just going to turn your audience into your family. So every time that you have any service, maybe, or you have any product that you want to promote, all these amazing people who are watching your videos can be your customers. So I think you really have to make sure that you are transparent, but also you are honest with everything that you do on YouTube. You can build good community, and this community can be very rewarding for you. Alright, so if you start to learn your YouTube channel, this is really going to develop different skills for you. It's like you're just going to be good at video production, video editing, but also you can be very good at communication skills. So you can just start to record your videos on your mobile phone. I'm just going to be honest with you. Right now I'm recording this video on my iPhone 7, so you can start with what you have. I really encourage you to start today. Even if you don't have any skills like video editing, video production skills, you can start today. I'm pretty sure that you will keep developing over time on different skills and all this stuff. So this is a very interesting part, and I'm pretty sure that this is really going to help you somehow if you really are afraid, like you are not ready to start YouTube and you really don't know what to start posting on YouTube. So I have this channel that I have more than 120 million views, as you can see right there. But also this channel, I have more than 600,000 subscribers. So on this channel I generated more than $65,000, and this is like a lot of money. And what makes me believe that you can also make a decent amount of money on YouTube with that, on this channel I really never showed my face even one day. They really don't know that I'm the one who runs this channel, and this is what I do on this channel. I really never showed my face on this channel, as I told you. The only thing that I do on this channel is that I talk about entertainment, I talk about local news. So this is what I do. I just take my mobile phone, I record my audio, then I edit this audio, and I add these photos, then I post on YouTube and I get paid. So I think this is a very fun way for you to start making money on YouTube. There are a lot of stuff that you can start talking on YouTube without even showing your face, and I made this amount of money without even showing my face on YouTube. Just imagine how much you can really make on YouTube just by doing that. Also, YouTube can be a source of passive income, and I'm really happy about this because there are this video that I posted on this channel. It was last year, I think, and this video is still generating me $200 up to $300 every single month. So if I decide not to work this full month, I'm still going to make this money anyway. So this is really going to help you to pay some bills. You may really consider starting YouTube because this is going to be your #1 source of passive income. I did hope that this video has given you motivation to take that first step to start YouTube. And I just want to be honest with you, YouTube can be very stressful at the beginning, but the more you keep working, the more you keep learning new stuff, the more you get knowledge, and the more you know a lot of stuff. So you just have to keep working, and you just have to give yourself like 3 years or 5 years, because a lot of YouTubers that I know who are very successful right now, they just had more than 5 years for them to be successful. So you just have to give yourself like 2 years or 3 years, and I'm pretty sure that you will see the result. So I encourage you to take your first step and start YouTube, and good luck on your journey. So thank you so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time, and I wish you all the best on your YouTube channel.